Okay, guys. So ideally, these large selling wicks, what we really want to see is a retrace of these candles. Okay, and I've just got this PSG coin here. Um, if I flip to the daily chart here, you can see I've got this green line on the weekly low. Damn it, sorry, wrong chart there. Um, what actually happened was on the 9th, this was Sunday. Okay, so on Monday we continued to drop. Tuesday we still down there. Wednesday, Thursday, there were still 3 to 4 days down below on and it was red on a new 2 week candle down here. This is the open of the 2 week candle. So we dropped down and then we pushed back up and created that wick. So is it going to be the same here on these coins? Are we going to continue to drop on a new 2 week? Well, time will tell, but you can see we opened here, but we actually did push lower first down in here as a stop hunt and then pushed higher into the wick and then dropped right back down again. So it was very whipsaw action. Because this closed so poor, we continued lower on a new week off the open. Um, Maybe the same thing is going to happen here. We have to be open to the fact that this may want to go a bit lower first, and ideally, if we get that, you can see I've got my alarm up here. Well, that's Ethereum, but if we get these bounces back up into this sort of area, I personally think well, we need to be getting out of positions just in case the same thing happens here. Um, Bouncing back up this high would be a gift, I think. It would also suck in a lot more buyers thinking that we're going to bounce back up to new highs. But the safe option is to unload your positions. If you have positions and you're buying for hopefully the coming bounce, or if you're actually holding maybe some longer term, maybe you just consider selling into a bounce like this if we get it. Then of course, um, you know the we don't have a crystal ball here, but the new 3 month candle, look at this 3 month candle on Ethereum. We need to, number one, see where this closes. If this closes red down here, that's a very bad sign, and we're likely to go lower. If this flips down red here, we're likely to continue on down lower. So um, a bounce back up in here. This, if we do get that bounce in the next 2 weeks, you have to consider unloading some positions.